Hello everyone, welcome back to your GRE preparation with Infinity Education. Today in our 22nd class, we will learn about the pattern and sequence. Now let's see how. 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, but the unit digit is 6, 2 to the power 5 is 32, the unit digit is 2, 2 to the power 6 is 64, the unit digit is 4. 2 to the power 7 is 128, the unit digit is 8. So here we can see after 4 times the digits are repeating for the unit digit. This goes same for 3. So 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27, the unit digit is 7, 3 to the power 4, 81, the unit digit is 1, 3 to the power 5, 243, the unit digit is 3, 3 to the power 6, 729, the unit digit is 9, and 3 to the power 7, unit digit is 7. So after 4 times, again the digits are repeating. For 7, 7 to the power 1 is 7, 7 square is 49, the unit digit is 9, 7 cube is 343, the unit digit is 3, 7 to the power 4, unit digit 1, again 7 to the power 5, unit digit 7, 7 to the power 6, unit digit 9, 7 to the power 7, unit digit is 3. So here also after 4 times, the digits are repeating. The unit digit for 9 to the power 1 is 9. 9 square is 81. That is unit digit is 1. 9 cube unit digit is 9. 9 to the power 4 is 1. So here for 9 we can see after 2 times it is repeating. Now you might have a questions in your mind why I have not written for 1, 4, 5, 6 or 8 or 0. Because for 1 it's always the unit digit should be always be 1 no matter what power you are taking. For 5 and 6, every time the unit digit should be 5 and 6 only. The 4 can be converted. 4 means it's 2 square, so it is easily doable. 7 we have done. 8 is also easily doable because 8 we know as 2 cube, so it is easily doable. And 0 is also unit digit should be 0 no matter what the power is. Now let's see with some of the example. The question is asking which of the following is the unit digit of 3 to the power 2022. So we must write the sequence first. 3 to the power 1, unit digit 3, 3 square 9, 3 to the power 3, unit digit 7, 3 to the power 4, unit digit 1, 3 to the power 5, unit digit 3, 3 to the power 6, unit digit 9, 3 to the power 7, unit digit 7. So I can see after 4 times the digits are repeating. So to find the unit digit of 3 to the power 2022, I have to divide the power, that is 2022 by 4. Whatever the remainder should be, 3 to the power, that should be the answer to the question. Now let's see. If we divide 2022, we are getting remainder as 2. So 3 square is 9. So E should be the answer to the question. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's see with one more example. 4826 minus 1. In the sequence of the number above, each term after the first is found by dividing the previous term by p and subtracting q from the result. What is the value for q minus p? So it is saying in the sequence of the number, each term after the first is found dividing the number by p and subtracting q from the resultant. Now, if we consider the first 2 data of the sequence, that is 48 and 20, and if we make an equation, it will look like this. 48 by p minus q equals to 20. Why? Because it is saying that the first term is dividing by p, then q should be subtracted from the resultant. So the resultant should be 20, the next data. Now, if we simplify it, so we are getting q equals to 48 by p minus 20. just switching the position from Q and 20. So minus Q was on the left side, so it is going to the right side. So minus will convert to plus, and plus 20 was on the right side. So if I'm taking it to the left side, so it will be plus 20 to minus 20. Now, if we consider the next one, that is 20 and 6, it will look like this: 20 by P minus Q equals to 6, because dividing the first term by P and subtracting Q from the resultant, that will give you the next data. So here, if you do the simplification, you will get Q equals to 20 minus P, 20 by P minus 6, by the same logic. Now they are asking what is the value for Q minus P. So I have to find out the value for this. So as we are getting Q equals to 48 by P minus 20 and Q equals to 20 by P minus 6. So we can compare both of them, like 48 by P minus 20 and 20 by P minus 6. Now if we take the P one side and 20 and 66 on the one side, so we are having 48 by P minus 20 by P equals to 20 minus 6. Because 20 by P is coming from right to left, so it will be minus 20 by P, and minus 20 is going from left to right, so it will be plus 20 from minus 20. So if you simplify this, you are having 28 by P equals to 14. Now if you do the simplify, so you are having P equals to 2. Now, if you are putting P equals to 2 in any of the equations, so we have taken the second one, that is 20 by P minus Q equals to 6. So if you put P equals to 2, it will look like 20 by 2 minus Q equals to 6. So that we are getting as 10 minus Q equals to 6. So we are having Q equals to 4. Now we are getting P equals to 2 and Q equals to 4, but the question is asking for Q minus P, so it should be 4 minus 2. That is 2 is the answer to the question. I hope the question is clear. Now let's see with one more example. S of n equals to 4 into S of n minus 1 plus 2. If the value of the fourth term in the sequence defined above is 74, then what is the value of the first term? So I have to find out the value for the first term. So I can mark the option list as the first one, as we have done in the PETA technique. So I must always start with the option C. So if I am considering the first term as 1, so the second column will be for second. So that is second term should be 4 into first term plus 2, that is 1 into 4 plus 2, that is 6. So the third term should be 4 into 6 plus 2, that is 26. And the fourth term should be 26 into 4 plus 2, that is 106. But the question was saying that the fourth term should be 74. So C is not working, so I can eliminate. And I'm looking for a lesser value, so I can eliminate D and E as well. Now out of A and B, if I choose option B, let's see how does that work. So if I take 1 by 2 as the first one, or the first data in the sequence, so the second data should be 4 into half, that is 2 plus 2. So the second data should be 4. So if the second data is 4, so the third data should be 4 into 4 plus 2, that is 16 plus 2, that is 18. So the final and the fourth data should be 18 into 4 plus 2, that is 72 plus 2, that is 74. So that should be answer to the question. Now see the pattern and sequence question, how easily can you solve using the PETA technique. Now I believe all the question that we have done from the pattern and sequence is clear to you. Now if you have any doubt from today's class, or if you are practicing any other question from any other sources as well, you can post your doubt in the comment section. Thank you everyone. Happy learning.